So I'm going to start inducing with perfume. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I sprayed some perfume. It's starting to tickle. Tickle again. Tickle. Now I'm gonna try to make it more tickly with a rose.